Jadamala incident was a very painful incident. And let me cite here a covenant for the people of Jadamala and for all of us. In 625 AD, the Christians of St. Catherine Monastery of Sinai Desert, they came to the Holy Prophet himself and they sought protection. In return, the Holy Prophet gave them a covenant, not an agreement, a one-sided promise, a covenant. And this covenant is actually sitting in the St. Catherine's Monastery in original. It has 8 clauses. It reads, 1, your churches will not be destroyed. 2, a confirmation, your churches will not be damaged. 3, your churches will not be robbed. 4, your judges will be allowed to make decisions as per your religion. 5, your priests will not be removed from the churches. 6, your women will not be forced into marriages with Muslims. Forced marriages are disallowed. 7th, again confirmation, your churches will be respected. And the 8th clause is a very dangerous clause. It says, this is a covenant by Muhammad bin Abdullah and his people, by Muhammad bin Abdullah and his people to the Christians, and any Muslim who defies this covenant defies the Prophet himself, and this agreement is till the day of judgment. This document, it is not a hadith, it is not quoted by one tabi to a sahab. No, it is not. It is sitting in original, stamped by the Prophet himself in the Saint Catholic. Even today it is sitting there. Now, I am a very sinful person, probably a very lowly person on this God's earth, but I dare not defy this agreement. How can you do it? How can you do it?